ma Kericho Eric Mutahi otony bang' od bura mar Senet wito oko okang' manyicha ne okaw kod od bura mar kaunti ma Kericho mar thiche oko apisi. Oyangore ni kwan MCAs mane opuodho thicho Mutahi e kom ne okoromo kaluwore kod dwaro mar chik. E kind MCAs 47 31 ema nyocha ne opuodho golo Gavana e kom ka kwan madwarore to en 32. Senators ogoyo ombulu bang' twak malach kendo tieko ne Gavana no kik thichi oko e apis.
The second issue for determination then is whether, as contended by the Governor, the threshold of 2/3 required at the County Assembly was not met. Related to this question is whether this is a question of fact, necessitating evidence to be adduced.
When it comes now to 31.3, the science math says there is no half person, so it should have been 32. The 0.3 is always becomes the whole person, which it should be 32.
31 MCAs did vote to impeach the Governor, and 16 did not vote, which equivalents that number to 47.
The question that probably would have needed a judicial review even long before it came to this place, Mr. Speaker, because constitutionally this question of 2/3 has never confronted the country.
On the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Dr. Eric Mutahi, the Governor of Kericho County hereby terminates.